This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Christine Rank. Is the Lake Arrowhead community lifestyle what you're looking for? Then building the perfect home or cabin on this 0.49-acre lot is your answer. Situated on approximately a half-acre, this sloping and rolling wooded lot lends itself to an exposed lower level to place your new home. You're surrounded by nature and wildlife as you relax on your own piece of earth. Located in the Lake Arrowhead Association and just minutes from the lake and all the amenities, including 4 private beach clubs, boat docks, 2 swimming pools at the clubhouses, and if golf is important, the golf course is close by and the elite Sand Valley is a few miles away. ATV and snowmobile and enjoy all of the area recreation right from your very own property. For more information, review the details below.